Fine.
Hello, boys, to everyone. I hope all of you are doing well. And last day we were discussing about punctuation, and it was about how to use dash, m dash, and n dash, and we were on an exercise. Uh, it was here as an interruption. Okay, actually, it was here number five and number six. Okay, so only one exercise we finished yesterday, and now we will continue.
Hello, assalamu alaikum, Mr.
Walaikum Assalam. How are you, Abdurrahman?
Fine, sir.
Good, good. Uh, and how is your health?
Alhamdulillah. How's yours?
Yeah, Alhamdulillah, I'm fine. Because you are not coming for online classes. That's why I'm asking. Are you okay?
Yeah, but I didn't join, sorry, but I had to make my sleep good because I used to wake up late. Now I'm waking up early.
Mhm. Okay. So that was
Okay, I'll mute myself and listen to you. Okay.
okay. That's fine. Fine. Okay, boys. So yesterday we were here to use dash as an interruption. Okay, so how can we interruption means that a dash is a punctuation mark used to separate a group of words, not parts of words like an hyphen. So a dash is longer than a hyphen. A dash can be used as interruption in a quotation. So we learned yesterday that how can we in a quotation that something in double quotes, this is a quotation. Okay, so how can we add quotation as an interruption over there? Okay, so this is what we learned yesterday. Now the next thing that we today we will learn about that how can we use dash as a substitution worksheet. Okay, so a dash is a punctuation mark used to separate a group of words, not parts of words like a hyphen. A dash is longer than a hyphen. A dash can be used as a substitution, okay, in place of something. So how can we use this as a substitution? Okay, so directions needed. Read each sentence, add a dash as an interruption where needed. Okay, example, you can see an example here. Can you see all of you can just let one time just let me know. All of you can see the screen in front of you.
Yes.
Okay, that's fine. So Abdul Hadi, can you read this example and answer? Can you read from here?
Okay. Example, my favorite colors are red and blue.
Mhm.
Answer, my favorite colors are red and blue.
Okay, so what the change? Have you felt any kind of changes there in the answer? Have you
No,
noticed any kind of change? Is there a change?
no.
Abdulaziz, are you there? Can you listen me?
Yes.
Yeah, okay. That
Yeah.
can you tell me what is the difference between this example and this answer? Is there a change? What is what change has been made here? Can you tell me?
The
Yes.
dashes and the punctuation mark.
So this is that the semicolon here, as you can see, a semicolon has been replaced, substitute, okay, with dash. So uh, please make sure to write your names, okay. Without name I would not let you in, so please make sure to write your name with grade. Who has joined just now? Who is this guy with this name M77? Who is he?
Musa.
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 Okay, fine. So here we can see in this example that we can replace a semicolon with dash. Okay, so it's an M dash or an it can be replaced. So it is a substitution. So this is what we have to do here in this example. So following in the same way, Abdulaziz, can you solve this? Can you tell me where to add dash in this sentence? Abdulaziz, are you there?
Yes. Yeah, yeah, there.
Yeah, tell me the answer. Can you, if you just have a look on the above, and just tell me where to add interruption, or you can, sorry, substitution.
Yeah, Mr.
As you can see here in this example, that in place of semicolon we have dash, added dash here. Okay, so the same is the case here. How can we add dash in this sentence?
Oh, window.
After window?
Yeah,
Yeah, that's good, correct. So just keep an, a close eye, boys, all of you, and it will become really easy for you to select a place where to add dash as a substitution. So Abdulaziz's answer is correct. So we will add dash here in place of semicolon here. Okay, and the same you will add these dashes, not this dash. Okay, like here in this example. Okay, fine, that's good. Okay, number 8, Abdul Hadi.
Yes, Mister.
Tell me the answer for number 8. Where we can
Uh,
add
before performance.
before performance? No. As yesterday we learned that we use uh, in as a parenthetical phrases also. We can replace parentheses with dash. Yeah, is that so?
Mister,
So we can
we
here.
remove the brackets and put dashes.
Yeah, where we will put. Here I will remove this dash and I will put dashes, and again here after band. Okay, so
Yeah.
a popular, so what you have to do, you just have to where the bracket is, this is here and here. Okay, so the
Mm,
beginning parenthesis and the ending parenthesis, so in place of these parentheses you will add dashes. Simply just keep in your mind that we use dashes in place of parentheses as well. So where are the parentheses? Here, as you can see here, before A and after band. So you will add dashes before A and after band. Okay, this is the solution of this. Okay, Abdulaziz, have you understood also?
yes,
Abdulaziz,
yes.
okay, that's good.
Yes, yes.
Okay, so the same formula will be here in sentence number 9, and I want Ahmed Hamdi to answer this question number 9.
Number 9.
Yeah.
The King of England who came to the throne attending the wedding.
Okay, so where we will add dash in this sentence?
In the place who came to the wedding. Who came to the throne.
Where? Exactly where? As I told here that we will remove these parentheses.
After wedding.
No, Ahmed Hamdi, not after wedding.
Yeah.
The
And
area is here. This is the area that you have to choose to add dash. So, because we use,
I was saying that. Weren't you listening?
okay, well, I'm listening to you. Okay, tell me the answer.
I said in the place of the parentheses that you're talking about.
Okay, so where exactly in place of parentheses? Can you just mention?
After who came.
After who came? No, you
Yeah.
can add
يا
here.
أحمد شيل البراكتس وحط dashes.
Here, this is
Okay.
the parenthesis here, and here I will remove this. I can substitute this in place of with dash. Okay, and here also I can
Yes.
substitute this with dash. So this is the solution. So here in number 9, the solution is that we will add dash before who and after throne, and we will remove the parentheses. Okay, right. Now I want Abdurrahman to answer the next question. Where to add dash in this sentence? Abdurrahman, can you hear me? Abdurrahman, can you hear me? Where is
Mister, he left the
Hmm.
he left the Zoom room
Okay, can you tell me the answer for this number 10?
before and
Before and here. Oh, that's good. Correct. Your answer is correct, Abdul Hadi. Yes, he knew who to pick. Okay, interruption here as a substitution because here must be a comma or something like that. So before and we will add that. Okay, yes, your answer is correct. So we will put three dashes or two dashes you can put here. Okay, one, two, three, just to show a substitution. Okay, good. And who will tell the answer for the next question? Abdulaziz.
Yeah, I can.
Okay, tell me.
Born is it?
Sorry.
Born it. After born. Horns.
he's saying after honest.
Here.
Yeah,
Uh,
yeah.
Abdulaziz, how did we solve this one? That we remove the parentheses in place of this opening bracket here and the closing bracket here. We add dashes.
Ah,
So how will we
after this.
add? So here the same thing here also. So after think here you will add dash and what else? Where the next one?
And after this.
Yeah. So before and after this here because just in place of parentheses. Okay, boys. So I think is that clear to you?
Yes.
So we learned about dash as a substitution. Okay, we have practice and we learned dash as an interruption yesterday. So both of the cases we know that how can we. So if this comes in an exam, would you be able to solve this? Boys, if this kind of question comes in exam, would you be able to solve such kind of exercise?
Yes.
Yeah, okay, fine. So the
It's
next,
easy.
yeah, so the next exercise dash or hyphen means what we can use. We can use either we can use dash or hyphen. So as we already know, I am just explaining again and again that a dash is a punctuation mark which is used to separate a group of words, not part of words, like a hyphen. So this is the difference, big difference between dash and hyphen. So it means that with the help of hyphen, we can separate part of words, okay? Not group of words. So a dash is longer than a hyphen. A dash can be used as a substitution. This is what we have learned already. A hyphen. What is a hyphen? A hyphen is a short single character line which connects two which connects word parts. Okay, but what is the function of dash? Dash, the function of dash is to separate a group of words, not the part of words. Okay, just keep this in your mind and it will be easy for you to solve this exercise. Okay, boys. So what we are going to practice in this exercise, what are the directions? Write whether to use a dash or hyphen. Then rewrite each sentence. Okay. So here is what we have to use a dash or a hyphen and then we have to rewrite each sentence. Okay, so the example is in front of you. Okay, boys, can you read the example? Faisal,
Mister,
yeah, Hassan, you read it.
there are 35 players on the team.
Yeah, so
Put dash after there are 35.
no personal talk on chat box. Stop talking or stop messaging over there. Listen to me carefully, all of you.
After 30, Mister.
Okay, example is there. My favorite colors are red. After R, we have used here. Okay. semicolon. Red and blue. Okay, the answer is dash because after R in place of semicolon we can replace dash. Okay, we cannot put hyphen here because if we put hyphen here, hyphen is just to connect two parts. Okay, the parts of a sentence, not the group of the words. So if we want to connect the group of these words like red and blue with R, we will use dash here. So this, what is the answer? Dash. Okay. Okay, is that clear to you?
Yes.
Okay, that's fine. So the same formula, keeping in mind, we will apply here on these three sentences. And I would like to start with Hassan. Hassan, give me the answer for number 12.
12. Can say, Mister, you said that the dash to connect the boards.
There is a definition above. You can see that definition and then you can decide. There is a definition above.
After band.
You can write after there
No,
are
no, please
put hyphen.
write
But
whether to use a dash or hyphen. Means here we can use either we can use dash or we can use hyphen. What we can use exactly here. So if I look at
can use the
closely, there are
hyphen.
35 players on the team. So what I can use?
Can use hyphen
Yeah, where? Okay, good hyphen. But where?
after there are.
After there are? No. Hyphen is used to connect word parts. So if you will put after R, it will become dash, not hyphen.
Mister,
After 30, mister.
Mr.
35.
Players.
There are
Players.
35.
Yeah,
Hyphen after
here.
this.
Yeah, so in between this, you will put hyphen. A small,
I said
Yes.
after 30, mister.
after 30, yeah, I know, Hadi, but I want Hassan to clarify this, okay?
Okay.
Okay, go next. Do I have only Hassan and Abdul Hadi with me? What about other boys? Ahmad Hamdi, can you tell me the
Yes.
answer for number 13?
Of what?
Number 13.
Number 13.
Yeah.
The Big Boys, a popular 60s brand, gave a performance.
What we can
We're
use
gonna
here?
replace the brackets with that.
Yeah. Thumbs up for you. Thumbs up, Ahmad Hamdi. Your answer is correct. Yes. So we will replace dash or hyphen.
We're gonna replace with dash.
Yeah, that's good. Correct. Your answer is correct. So we will after boys and after band we will put dash. Okay, dashes you can say. Okay, so that's good. Hassan has given me the answer. Okay. Ahmad Hamdi. Okay. Abdul Hadi is always with me, and Ahmad Hamdi also. Okay. Who else is there? Faisal, can you give me the
Me,
answer?
Mr.
Okay, Abdul Aziz. Okay.
Mr. Faisal's mic is broken.
Yeah. Okay, fine. So number 14. Okay, Abdul Aziz. Abdul Aziz,
What?
give me the answer for number 14 for this. What we can use here?
قول له dash ولا hyphen.
Dash or hyphen? And you have to tell where exactly we can use. Abdul Hadi,
After people.
do you know the answer, Abdul Hadi? Just keep it with you.
After people, Mr.
After people, no, wrong. After people. Abdul Hadi, do you know?
I think we'll put it after 1/3.
Oh, yes, your answer is correct. Yes, you are right. So what it would be? Dash or hyphen?
I think dash.
It would be hyphen because 1/3 is actually, if we put here, hyphen is only to connect parts, word parts, okay? So 1/3,
Okay.
these are the two word parts. Actually, it's a compound word, okay? So for compound words, we use hyphen to connect them. So hyphen is the answer for number 14, okay? And where we will put hyphen? Between 1 and 3rd, in between here. Okay,
Okay.
okay, that's good. So we have Musa. Musa, can you hear?
Yes.
How are you, Musa?
Fine.
Good. Can you
I'm
read
good.
from here? Marie Curie was one of the most. Can you read from here?
Okay.
Yes.
Yes. Marie Curie was one of the most accomplished science in history, together with
Scientist. Scientist.
her husband. Pierre, she discovered radium, an element widely used for treating cancer, and studied uranium
Uranium.
and other radioactive substances. Peter and Mary amicable collaboration later helped to unlock the secret
Secret.
of of the atom.
Secrets of the atom. Thank you, Musa. Thank you for your support. Okay. Secrets of the atom. Thank you for reading for me. Okay. So who next? Ahmad Hamdi, read from here. Mary was born in 1867. Okay, Abdul Hadi, you.
Mary
Who read Mr. Me or Ahmed Hamdi?
Ahmad Hamdi, I think he's having some technical fault with the internet. Okay, you start reading. Mary was born
Mary was born in 1867 in
Warsaw.
Warsaw, Poland,
Yeah.
where her father was a professor of physics. At an early age, she displayed a brilliant mind and a balanced personality. Her great experience for learning prompted her to continue with her studies after university. In
After
Warsaw, wa- st-
after high school, she
after high
became
school, she became disgruntled. However, when she learned that the university in Warsaw was closed to women, d- determined to
determined,
receive a higher det-
determined.
determined to receive a higher education, she definitely left Poland and in 1891 entered the Sorbonne, a French university, where she earned her master's degree and doctorate in physics.
Doctorate in physics. Doc,
Doctorate in physics.
yeah, doctorate in physics. Okay. Mary was fortunate to have studied at the Sorbonne with some of the greatest scientists of her day, one of whom was Pierre Curie. Mary and Pierre were married in 1895 and spent many productive years working together in physics laboratory. A short time after they discovered radium, Pierre was killed by a horse-drawn wagon in 1906. 906. Okay, so 1906. Mary was stunned by this horrible misfortune and endured heartbreaking anguish. So, despondently, she recalled their close relationship and the joy that they had shared in scientific research. The fact that she had two young daughters to raise by herself greatly increased her distress. Curie's feeling of desolation finally began to fade when she was asked to succeed her husband as a physics professor at the Sorbonne. She was the first woman to be given a uh, professorship at the world famous university. In 1911, she received the Nobel Prize in Chemistry for isolating radium. Oh, that's great achievement. Although Marie Curie eventually suffered a fatal illness from her long exposure to radium. She was working with radium and she got ill, and that's what the reason because she was working in isolating the radium, and whenever these people work with isolating the radium, there is energy being released from atoms. Okay, so she got that fatal illness and she never became disillusioned about her work. Regardless of the consequences, she had dedicated herself to science and to revealing the mysteries of the physical world. Okay, So that's the comprehension. Actually, it's about Marie Curie. Okay. So after reading that, now this is here we have to give the answers. Okay. So Curie's collaboration helped to unlock the secrets of the atom. Okay. Tell me, Abdul Hadi, number one, what would be the answer? Who helped in collaboration helped to unlock the secrets of the atom? Okay. What was the thing? The Curies. What was the thing that helped him to unlock? Abdul Hadi, are you there?
Yes, yes, Mister.
Yeah. Can you tell me the answer for this number one?
Um, friendly, friendly or chemistry.
Okay, so the Curie's friendly collaboration helped to unlock the secrets of the atom. It is already mentioned here. Okay, it was here in the beginning somewhere. So the Curie's friendly collaboration helped to unlock the secrets of the atom. Okay, Ahmed Hamdi, can you hear me now?
Yes.
Okay, can you tell me the answer for number two after reading that comprehension? Can you tell me? Mary had a bright mind and a dash personality.
What?
What kind of personality Mary was having?
What kind of personality Mary was having?
Yeah, she displayed a brilliant mind and a bleak personality. So, what do we mean by bleak personality? Bleak.
I don't know.
So, here are the options: strong, light-hearted, humorous, strange, envious.
Strange.
No, no. Bleak means
Strong.
light-hearted. Light-hearted. Number two. Here,
Okay.
light-hearted. Okay. Okay, so number three, uh, when she learned that she could not attend the university in Warsaw, what she felt, it is here that she could not, she became disgruntled, however, when she learned that the university in Warsaw was closed to women. So here actually the meaning for this word we have to search here in the answer. So when she learned that she could not attend the university in Warsaw, she felt she felt. What's the meaning of this? Disgruntled means hopeless, annoyed, depressed, worried, none of the above.
Distressed.
Okay, for you it is depressed.
Depressed.
Abdul Hadi, what is the answer for you?
Annoyed.
Okay, annoyed, yes, correct. Your answer is correct. It is annoyed. Okay, when she learned that she could not attend the university in Warsaw, she felt annoyed. Okay, that's correct. Your answer is correct. Okay, number four, Mary Dash by leaving Poland and traveling to France to enter the Sorbonne. Okay, what was the thing that it is here? So, determined to receive a higher education, she defiantly left Poland and in 1891 entered the Sorbonne, a French university, where she earned her master's degree and doctorate in physics. Mary was fortunate to have studied at the Sorbonne with some of the greatest. So, what is Mary Dash by leaving Poland and traveling to France to enter the Sorbonne? What was the thing she,
Showed intelligence.
huh?
Showed intelligence.
Mary actually, what did she actually challenge authority? Those who stopped women to get admission in the university, actually, she challenged the authority. Okay, she definitely left Poland. She challenged them. Okay, I'm gonna study. You're not going to stop me. So she left for France. Okay, so that's what in the French university. So actually, she challenged authority by leaving Poland because that time it was not, I think so. It was hard for women to travel in those days. Okay, maybe just because of this. In this case, because she became when she learned that the university in Warsaw was closed to women. It's such kind of you can say a kind of against the law. So that's how she challenged authorities. Okay, by leaving the Poland. So this is the answer here. Number five, she remembered their joy together. Dash, she remembered their joy together. What would be the answer?
Tearfully or happily?
Dejectedly. Dejectedly, she remembered their joy together. Means her husband also was a scientist. Okay, Perry. So when he died in an accident, okay, so she was in actually dejectedly, okay, means not in a good way. Whenever she remembered the joy, happiness together, okay. So we hear dejectedly in such case, the answer could be okay, would be. So number six, her dash began to fade when she returned to the Sorbonne to succeed her husband. Her misfortune, anger, what would be the answer here?
I say anger.
Okay, and for me it is wretchedness means because she was really disappointed, and so she felt about okay, now she can do something. So this is here the answer number three. Even though she became fatally ill from working with radium, Marie Curie was never uh, disappointed.
Disrupted.
Disappointed.
Right.
She was never disappointed, okay, in her whole life.
Okay.
So this is how. Okay, boys, this is the same actually exercise. The next one is the vocabulary, and it is the same. It is in your unit number 10, the flood actually, okay.
Okay.
And we have already done this exercise, okay. The flood vocabulary exercise. It is there in your workbook, unit number 10.
Mm,
It is there in your book, unit number 10, okay.
okay.
Yeah. So do practice from there. The same exercise I have taken in the same way. It is there. The flood actually, I think so. It is in unit number 10. Okay. So this weather vocabulary exercise. This is what we can do. The rain is nearly stopped. It is only dash now. A drop, a drizzling, raining cats and dogs. So it is the rain has stopped. So what could be the option now here? It is only
I don't know what is the meaning of drizzling or a doubt, but I will say a doubt.
a drought means no rain for long
No, it's
time.
drizzling the answer.
The answer is drizzling here. This is the answer, drizzling. Okay,
Okay.
because the rain has already stopped, so it is means very less rain. Okay. Number two, a dash is a tropical storm with very strong winds. What kind of storm is a tropical storm and it is having very strong winds? It is a hurricane. Okay, hurricane.
Okay.
I stepped in. I stepped in a dash and got the bottom of my pants. Oh, man. So what is that? It's a it's,
Puddle.
yeah, it's a puddle. Okay.
Okay.
We did not use the air conditioner at all during that last summer. Okay. So
Um,
cold spell. Cold spell. For number five, the answer is lightning. Okay.
mhm,
Number six
okay.
is foggy. 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 Number seven, shade. Number eight is shower. Number nine answer is
Can't see eight.
eight is shower. Okay, shower. Number nine is
Can you go down to see the rest of the questions?
yes,
No, no,
this is
no.
shower. Okay. Number nine is thermometer, and then number 10 is
Suntan.
Number 10 is sunscreen.
Oh.
This is also from unit number 10, this vocabulary exercise. It has been taken from the lesson Read Smith actually, and I think so we have already finished, okay? Because we have already finished the workbook exercises in our classroom. Yeah?
Okay.
So I think we have already done. Just you can have a look on your book and you can find the meanings and you can attach, okay? You can means find out the meanings of these words and then you can
Mister, we finished this before.
yeah. I know. That's why I'm just telling you that that's why I have just shared this answer. Okay, boys. So that's all. We are running out of time. Thank you very much for being with me and for attending the classes regularly. I really appreciate your efforts. Please practice all this. Okay. This is all about today. And if there is anything, we will discuss in our next meeting. Okay. Thank you very much for being with me.
هذا يشوفك الساعة 3.
Okay, boys.
حسن